under it. And up here is there are 4 Hewlett-Packard HP10 print heads loaded right here in the printer. And I guess it's easier to explain it here. This whole assembly is going to move over here, and then it's essentially an inkjet printer that's going to scan back and forth, printing a cross-section of this model on the surface of the build chamber. And then when it's completed the first layer, the assembly moves to the position that's shown here in the photo. The piston that's under the feed chamber comes up about 5/1000ths of an inch, which is the thickness of a piece of paper. And then this unit moves over here, and in doing so, it snowplows, whoops, let me back up here. It snowplows a thin layer of fresh plaster powder over the layer that was just printed. At that point, the print heads start scanning back and forth, gluing the second layer to the first layer, and then you just proceed in a layer by layer by layer format. So 3D printing is a layer by layer additive manufacturing process. You can see that every time a new layer is added, the piston here in the build chamber drops down. So as the model is being built, it drops down and it's surrounded by powder. So this next slide just shows various steps. The first step is removing the printed model from the build chamber. And you can see it looks like just a cake of white powder. This is the removing the build stage. You put this in a depowdering chamber and you blow compressed air onto this cake, and it blows away the powder that didn't get glued. That's the depowdering step.